Yeah. Yeah. Some people say a job's a noble thing, but I roll in late when the phone starts to ring. Got a coffee-stained tie and a sideways grin. Swipe my badge, start slacking again. You load 16 tabs, what do you get? Another lost tower and a screen all red. Stuck in a meeting that could have been a chat. Boss says work, I say can't do that. Yeah. One link for a quick how-to. Now the algorithm owns my view. From cake recipes to conspiracy threads. 3 hours later, haven't made my bed. You load 16 tabs, what do you get? Another lost hour and a screen all red. Stuck in a meeting that could have been a chat. Boss said work, I said can't do that. Yeah. Mama told me, son, go chase your dreams. So I chased a meme and a live stream team. Got big plans scribbled on a napkin note. Used it last night to wipe up a flow. You load 16 tabs, what do you get? Another lost hour and a screen all red. Stuck in a meeting that could have been a chat. Boss said work, I say can't do that. If you see me scrolling with my deadpan stare, tell my friends I'm happy in a swivel chair. Tell my boss I'm busy with a critical task. Then mute my mic, take a nap at last.
Of all the money I had, I spent it all in company. The fire was warm, the laughter loud. The cost came quietly to me. Of all the harm I ever did, it never crossed another's door. It fell on me like winter rain and washed me to this parting shore. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be to you all. Good night and joy be to you all. I've done for want of wit, the little things I can't recall, the words half spilled, the chances missed, now drift like smoke along the wall. Of all the comrades ere I had, they turn their faces, hide a tear. They clasp my hand, they bless my road. Their voices follow soft and clear. So raise it high, then set it down, and let the embered candles fall. Walk slowly from the open door. Good night and joy be to you all. So raise it high, then set it down, and let the embered candles fall. Walk slowly from the open door. Good night and joy be to